The iQOO Z10 is coming on April 11th, and a few days ago, the brand indirectly confirmed the smartphone will be powered by a Snapdragon chip. Today, iQOO announced that the iQOO Z10 will have the Snapdragon 7's Gen 3 SoC at the helm. Additionally, iQOO revealed that the Z10 will be launched under the 22,000 Indian rupees, $255/Euro 240 segment in India, but you can expect that to be the base model's price, with higher RAM/storage versions costing more. iQOO previously confirmed that the Z10 will pack a 7,300 mAh battery, support 90W charging, and feature a quad-curved display having 5,000 nits peak brightness. The smartphone will come in two colors, Stellar Black and Glacier Silver.